And we are now addressing our opportunities and exploring what Forex tournaments and binary options can do for your business as an affiliate. So there are new effective ways to market binary options. As you know, the market is pretty saturated. There are hundreds of binary options operators, and the ones who offer tournaments, social tools, bots and signals have an edge. So they give you an advantage as an affiliate. So you can provide something valuable to your audience, and you just don't compete with all the other affiliates and binary options brokers. We start from the most important aspect, the customer experience. So as you can see, the layout and the options available for binary options are still the same, which were offered a few years ago, which makes the interface very kind of known to the potential trader. At the same time, it's hard to differentiate from one broker to another. And also what you can see is that compared to our opportunities, especially in gaming, the interface is not very appealing. So people come back because they want to trade, but the user interface itself is not a major driver of retention. In terms of KPIs, binary options may be very short, 60 seconds, or maybe very long, 1 week. The risk is predetermined, and so is a potential profit, and these are important selling points that you can use to get traders. Engagement, it depends a lot of the stage of the market. When there are major announcements about employment or trade updates, then there is more activity on the market. In terms of lifetime value of a trader, there are big differences. It depends on the tools offered to trade, and also on the portfolio of assets that a trade can trade on, and the educational tools offered. The lifetime value of a player, as I say, there are many differences, but these are averages. So on average, a trader deposits $1,800, and the broker earns 1,500 of these. The trader keeps playing for about 5 months and makes more than 200 trades. The trades are about 3 to 7 for each session, and in terms of conversion, it all depends on which kind of traffic you are bringing. So if you work with organic traffic, the conversion is higher. People get there and they already know what they are looking for. If you work on a lead gen approach, you have to check which marketing techniques are used by your lead gen partners, because this affects conversion. And conversion from Forex to binary trader is about 10%. And as you can see, there are many CPAs offered based on the market. So ask your broker which CPAs they want to offer you, and if there is a difference from market to another. That also gives you an idea of the value of a trader for the broker. When it comes to ideal customers, the majority is still male, 32 years or older, and they like to trade because they enjoy the experience, and they prefer 60 seconds trading, meaning high volumes and fast pace of trading. And usually they are located in the Gulf states, Europe, Asia, or Australia. Then there are another kind of customers, the ones who come because they feel that binary options may be a way to make some money quick. You can get volumes from these kind of traders. However, their retention rate is very low because they tend to trade a few times. If they win, they cash out, and if the trades are not successful, they just move on. Then we have incentivized customers. So these are traders that you bring by offering them incentives. For example, you offer them free educational tools, free signals, if they sign up for the brokers that you promote. They, depending on the nature of the incentives you offer, if there are incentives that they can use on the trading floor, then they may stay longer. If there are incentives like cashback and so on, they usually tend to have a low retention rate. And all these different kind of retention and behavior of the traders give you an idea if it's better for you to be paid a CPA or a rev share. And when it comes to get traffic, you need to offer something valuable to your potential traders. So financial news, educational tools, and other options. We mentioned that you can get paid on a CPL, CPA, rev share, and a hybrid deal, where the hybrid is a mix of 2 or more commission models. So for example, you can get a high CPA or you can get a lower CPA plus a rev share on the lifetime value of the traders. When it comes to how many brokers to promote, if you're paid a CPL or CPA, it's usually more profitable for you as an affiliate to focus on many brokers. If you're paid a rev share, it's better to send them where the traders tends to stay longer. So what are Forex tournaments? Forex tournaments are an opportunity for traders to compete against each other instead of competing against the broker. They allow them to enter multiple tournaments, and in the case of assessing and forecasting the value of Bitcoin, they allow to be run 24/7. Another way, together with the Forex tournaments, to enter new vertical is to use and offer bots to your traders. Right now we see the website called pairstocksbot.com. So pairstocksbot.com is a bot which can be used by traders and to maximize the return on investment. And to you as an affiliate, you can promote these or similar bots which are offered for free to the end user, and earn a CPA every time a trader signs up through the bot itself. Then what they decide to do with the bot, to use it or not to use it, is their choice, but as long as they sign up for a broker through pairstocksbot.com, then you earn your CPA. And there are other tools like social trading, signals, and also to provide updates about the market sentiment and where the markets are going. So which skills do you need to promote DFS and binary options? My recommendation is to devote most of the time to what's already successful. So if you're already generating income, focus on that. At the same time, especially in terms of search engine optimization, search engine marketing, even content marketing, the market is always changing. So you need to allocate about 15% of your time to explore new opportunities. Many of these opportunities will not succeed, but you will identify some which may become your core marketing technique in the future. When it comes to search engine optimization, you can focus on ranking for reviews of binary options operators and DFS platforms. People who search for specific brands usually have a higher conversion rate. You can also focus for industry keywords, for example, binary options, or for desired outcome, which could be like making additional income and so on. Search engine marketing, it's a bit different because here you pay for each visitor you get. So the longer tail keywords have a higher conversion rate, and you always need to test and optimize your landing pages. So what works on one marketing channel may not work on another, depending on how you get the traffic, if it's like a PPV, if it's like PPC, and so on.